Hi my Bricksters. Tonight I'm going to be doing a review on the Volvo concept wheel loader zeux. Well, here we go. So this set has 1,167 pieces. It's not a really big set, but it's still pretty cool. There it is all together. It's got the steering. And then I didn't put all the stickers on just because there's pieces, like there's supposed to be stickers here, but I meant you want to use those pieces in something else. Same with up here. And yeah, this is one of the reasons I bought this. I really like this new style front end loader bucket that's on here. It's a lot bigger compared to this is the old style one. Fits right inside there. It's quite a big difference. And then we got the tires from the 6x6 tow truck on there. Or they're the same tires as what the 6x6 uses, which is pretty cool. We got, must be like the little motor in there. Looks like it's electric too. We got this little grab arm on here. Doesn't do a whole lot. It's mostly for looks, I think. We got a little drone. Pretty cool little drone. It'd be awesome if it actually flew. So we got our controls. So one of the things I like about these controls that they have on here is that they're on both sides of it. So you're able to control it from either side. You don't have to turn it around or whatever. You're able to do it from both sides. Here's to move the bucket. This one actually makes it go up and down. Be nice if this was a power function. Take a lot less time. Actually be cool to play with. It's definitely fun building it though. And then this back end raises up. Goes quite a ways up. Then you also have the counterweight here in the back that screws out. Guessing they did that so if you need to haul something that's quite a bit heavier, you can extend this out and you'll be able to haul more. That's as far as that goes. I noticed there was a new worm gear. Can't really see it in there. There's fans in there. There's a smaller worm gear in there that I'm really interested in that I can use for some of my other stuff. It's kind of the top side here. Got the bottom side if you want to see how that was done. Well, there you go guys, that is the zeux. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please like, subscribe, and I will put more out there. Thank you.